Hi, Mrs. Sween.
Hey, how you doing?
That-
Where's she at? I can't see her. How you doing there, Miss Turner? Let me unmute. Let me unmute you. Unmute yourself. I can't hear you. Oh my God, how you doing?
So, sorry, we keep hitting wrong buttons over here. Bailey wanted to tell you hey too.
How you doing there, Bailey?
Good. How are you?
10th grade? You're in 10th grade now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's twins over
Oh
here.
my God.
There's twins over here, so we're trying to situate two different.
Looks the same.
Okay.
The class
You're
looks
gonna be in college pretty soon.
No.
no.
2 years.
We're not there yet.
Okay.
No.
You pay attention to your her. How about
Huh?
your picture? Let's do
I said
this.
you'll be ready to pay bills pretty soon.
No.
Okay.
No.
We'll be learning a whole lot this year. I'm going to try and make this as fun as possible for y'all at home. We're going to be working in the Musician app, and of course, we're going to be working on fundamentals and working on sight singing and a number of other things. One heads up, I just had to tell Kiera, dues are going to go up. They're going to go up slightly because we're going to be trying to move towards buy in-class risers. That's a pretty expensive thing to buy. Also, we're gonna be using some out-of-class apps that we have to pay for. So our dues are gonna go up slightly, but we're gonna fundraise for it to cover the cost for it. So they're gonna go from 35 to 50. Can't hear you. If you're talking, I can't hear you.
Will they be doing any kind of fundraisers again? Like if they do the
Yes.
Yankee Candle online or anything?
Yes, we're gonna do the Yankee Candles again. Well, Yankee Candle, we've always been able to do it online, but we are gonna do that fundraiser again. We're gonna do that one and a couple of other ones.
Okay. Can you tell me if she had any money left over from last year? Because I know they were all cut off pretty quick and they didn't get to finish out their stuff.
I don't usually carry stuff over from the last fiscal year. I just try and start everything fresh. I try and leave that as staying in the course account. What I'm going to do with it is I use it to get technology for the kids. I'm buying iPads for them. I bought 5. We have a total of 10 in class, and I'm buying 5 more. They're refurbished iPads to go with the apps and stuff that we'll be using, so they won't have to worry about having their own device in class.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna have our own set of iPads in class and our own subscriptions to other websites for outside of class use that they'll be able to use at home as well.
Okay, so when will that Yankee Candle fundraiser be? Like when they're back in
We're not going to
person?
start it until we're actually coming back to school.
Okay, I was just asking because I like to take that booklet that you give them to my office because it's a little bit better than people trying to figure out things online. There's a lot of older people that I work with, and that's a little too much for them. So, but that is one of the popular fundraisers that everybody at my office loves. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, yes, we're definitely going to do it again.
Okay, I'm gonna give you back to her then.
Okay. Any questions?
Well, will we need anything for your class?
What's that?
This is my music binder. Well, not for your music, my band music.
Oh, everything will be online. So you are going to probably need something to put your work in, but I'm going to have you submit it online as well. So you'll actually print the sheet out and submit your answers online. That way we don't have to worry about grading. We'll have the grading. The computer will take care of the grading. I've already entered in the correct responses. And you just got to match them up and it'll go straight to the grade book that way. Any other questions? You are going to probably want some headphones.
Why?
We're going to be working at musician, and headphones sometimes it makes it more just makes it more comfortable for you to sing and for you to hear.
Which type of
Not gonna do.
headphones?
Say again.
So, like, what kind of headphones? Can I wear Beats?
I can't see.
I just
Can't
said,
see.
can I wear Beats?
Beats. Yeah, that's fine. Any kind of headphones you want to use. But I'll walk you all through the steps of how to sign into Musician. We have our own account for it, and you'll all have the same login for it. But you'll be able to work on it in school and at home.
If we go back to school, will we still have the same field trips?
We are not going anywhere this year,
Mhm.
but we will once the COVID passes.
I just said if we go back to school.
Yeah, I mean we're not going to start immediately. Don't think we're going to start going places immediately.
I know that.
It's probably not going to be until next year that we're going anywhere. But we're going to learn a lot of fun things. We're going to work in some fun programs. You should know how to make my goal is to make sure that by the end of the year, you all can make your own music. You can make your own songs, then that's my goal. Even if it's just a fun song to play around with.
Miss Heard, can you come to my office, please, Miss Heard?
How come dog can be at school, but we can't?
Because we're socially distant, and it's not 30 of us in a room.
It don't have to be 30 of us. It don't have to be 30 of us in a room.
In course, it's got to be at least 15 to 20.
We can all spread out. That's a
You're
big
not
enough
gonna blow
room for all of us.
Care, you're not going to blow your hot breath on me.
Hmm?
You're not going to blow your hot breath on me in this room.
I'm not. You be
No,
spitting
you're
on my
not.
breath.
You're not going to blow your hot. I'm just playing. No, it's COVID protocols that we have. And we're probably not going to, even when y'all come back to school, we're probably not going to sing in school until they have at least a vaccine made. You all will do most of your singing out of school, but we are going to play piano. We are going to learn music. We are going to work on. Yeah. We're going to work on piano. We're going to work on guitar. We're going to work on a lot of stuff in school that you probably are going to really enjoy doing out of school and in school. But we're not going to do a whole lot of singing in school. Not until this passes over. That's just for y'all's safety and my safety and for everybody's safety.
My foot. My foot.
So yeah, once we get to school, y'all be making a lot of videos at home.
You like my eraser?
Oops. Yeah, that's nice.
I got this for your class.
What's that?
It's a to-do thing.
A to do. Oh, yeah, definitely. Put practice on there. Practice log at the top.
Not right now. I'm not in school.
Just put it on there. It's gonna go on there anyway.
But I started on the first day, remember?
But you know that's going. You know that it's. No.
I gotta wait to see my classmates, so I'm gonna wait to put it on the thing the first day.
Put practice log at the top.
No.
Yes. Put practice log at the top. The very top.
The first day I put it on.
The first day I'm going to talk about practice logs. The very first day.
Okay, well then that's when it's gonna go on there.
Stubborn.
Which one do you prefer? This one? Or this?
I like the one in your right hand. The one with 2 columns.
Mm-hmm.
That's the one I like.
Well, that's yours. And this one is for random teachers.
I'm glad I'm not random teachers.
We eat in your class since we can't eat in your class during then because, you know.
As long as you're not smacking in the microphone, I don't have a problem with it.
Okay.
And as long as you're paying attention, I don't have a problem with it.
Well, in class we be paying attention, but we still be eating. Well, we can eat.
But you're at home then. If you're at home, I can't really come through the phone and stop you from eating. So there's not a place that I'm going to spend time at telling you not to eat.
Okay, what about your hood? Your hoodie.
Of course. Well, actually, I want to make sure that you're not in a mindset of learning. So it would be appropriate not to have your hoodie on
But we're at home.
and to be dressed appropriate. But again, I'm not going to make a big deal out of you having your hoodie on at home. I'm not going to make a big deal about it at all. It's not something I'm going to spend any time talking about.
Who's Loretta?
Is there anything else Cadence needs before she logs off to get on to other classes?
She'll need to, and I have to make sure that just to let you know that she's going to have to do this. She's going to have to download Musician on her computer. Is she using a school computer or a home computer?
Her own.
Her own. All right.
Yep.
She shouldn't have any problem with permissions then, or she can put it on her phone. But they're going to be working in Musician, GarageBand, and I'm going to give them a piano app that they're going to need to order, well, not order, but get from either iTunes or Google Store.
Okay.
Those things they will need for class. The piano she'll need to review her scales on, so she can hear the scales and hear the activities that we're doing on those particular scales.
Okay.
They're gonna go into working on sight singing on their own as well, and working on scale structure. That's probably gonna be some of their first review work.
Okay.
In that review, they're gonna need those items, and she could put those either on her phone or on her phone or on her laptop. That is.
Okay. You said GarageBand. There's a
Yes.
piano app, and then what was the other one?
And Musician.
U, like YOU.
Yes, YOUSICIAN.
Okay. So
And I'm going
so
to
for
give
right
them
now,
all
just
this
those three.
information on the first day.
Okay.
I'm going to give them this information on the first day as well, and show them where they'll go and download it. So I'm literally going to take them to the link to download it,
Okay.
and we'll do it. We'll do that during class.
Okay.
So that'll be in our first 2 weeks.
Okay.
And I'll walk through everything.
Perfect. So there's nothing else outside of that.
Since I have you here,
Mhm.
Cadence does not like to do her practice logs. I want her to have fun in class. She could even practice with her sister. I'm going to have them using Musician to practice a lot from, to get them comfortable with just creating sounds and hearing their voice, because a lot of times they're not comfortable creating sounds on their own. They're comfortable doing it in the group, in which they sound good, but they need to understand what it is that they're doing that makes them sound good, and also become comfortable with hearing their own voice and finding their own voice.
Okay.